Round 10, move into this 3 chain with a slip stitch and another slip stitch in the center of this 3 chain. Now 3 chain, count as first double crochet, 1 2 3. Now 2 chain, count as 2 chain space, 1 and 2, totally 5 chain here. Now a bubble stitch around first bubble stitch here, back post double crochet around this cluster, back post double crochet, a bubble stitch around next bubble stitch here, two chain, 1 2, a double crochet into this 3 chain space, 2 chain, 1 2, a bubble stitch around the next bubble stitch, now here back post double crochet around this cluster, a bubble stitch around the next, repeat the pattern. Two chain, a double crochet into this 3 chain space, again 2 chain, a bubble stitch around this bubble stitch. Continue this pattern until we finish this round, and I come back here to close this round. For close round 10, after the last bubble stitch we make 2 chain, 1 2, and a slip stitch top of very first 3 chain, 1 2 3, here make a slip stitch. This round finish. Round 11, chain 1 for a start, a front post double crochet around this double crochet, chain 1, another front post double crochet around same double crochet, now 2 chain, 1 2, now here bubble stitch cluster around this bubble stitch, and next we make a double crochet here like this, and the other one around next to make a bubble stitch here like this, 2 chain, a front post double crochet around this double crochet, now chain 1, another front post double crochet around same, 2 chain, and the bubble stitch cluster here, one here and the other one around next, and the cluster here. It's a bubble stitch cluster. Two chain and repeat this pattern, a front post double crochet, chain 1, a front post double crochet around the same, now 2 chain, and a bubble stitch here around this bubble stitch, and next make a cluster bubble stitch here. Continue this pattern. I come back here to close this round. Now after the last bubble stitch here, we make 2 chain and a slip stitch top of very first front post double crochet here in this round. Finish. Round 12, chain 1 for a start, 2 front post double crochet around the first front post double crochet here, 1 and 2. Now 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, 2 front post double crochet around next front post double crochet, 1 and the other one should be top of this one, 2. Now 4 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, skip this cluster and around next front post double crochet we make 2 front post double crochet, 1 and 2, 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, 2 front post double crochet around next front post double crochet, 1 and the other one should be top of this one, 4 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4 and repeat this pattern. Skip this cluster and around next we make 2 front post double crochet, continue this pattern until we finish this round and I come back here. Now for closed round 12, make a slip stitch top of very first front post double crochet here in this round, finish. Round 13, chain 1 for the start, a front post double crochet around the first front post double crochet here. Now 2 front post double crochet cluster around the same and next front post double crochet, so 1 here and the other one around next front post double crochet like this. Now 2 chain, 1, 2, a double crochet into this 3 chain space, now 2 chain, 1, 2, 2 front post double crochet cluster around this front post double crochet and next 1 and 2, a front post double crochet around the second one, now 3 chain, 1, 2, 3. Now repeat this pattern, a front post double crochet around this one, 2 front post double crochet cluster around this and next, 2 chain, 1, 2, a double crochet into this 3 chain space, 2 chain, 1, 2, 2 front post double crochet cluster, 1 here and the other one here, 1 and 2, now a cluster, again another front post double crochet around the second one, 3 chain, 1 2 3, and repeat this pattern: a front post double crochet, 2 front post double crochet cluster, 2 chain double crochet, 2 chain, 2 front post double crochet cluster, then a front post double crochet. Repeat this pattern and I come back here. For close round 13, after the last 3 chain, make a slip stitch top of very first front post double crochet, and this round finish